In this video, we're going to talk about pinned posts. A pinned post is a status update that you manually select to stay at the top of your timeline. That means that it will be the first post people see when they visit your page. So a pinned post is located at the top of your timeline. You can only pin one post at a time. A pinned post will stay at the top for 7 days unless you unpin it. So pinned posts allow you to draw attention to certain pieces of content for up to a week. By pinning highly engaging posts at the top of your page, you have a better chance of people interacting with your content, and you can select that content. You can control what content it is that you want people to engage with. So pick something that relates to your organization or page. Select highly engaging posts. Maybe you can do news or announcements. Maybe some helpful videos or offers, discounts, and promotions that you might have. So here we are back into our new Facebook page. And all we gotta do to pin a post is find that post that you wanna pin to the top. Come to this dot and hit pin to top of the page. The way you can see that the post is pinned is by this little icon. And if you want to unpin it, just click here and then unpin from top of the page. And there you have it. That's how you pin a post to a page.